Hello, my name is Edison Castro. I am an industrial engineering student and do not University and Faculty of History. Can't play with Smith. A long time gone on the south smart cabin. It south at the bows and the child goat weight skate my jet a gold mother was her in the cabin. One Halloween the night ago young people decided and exploded in the old cabin. The young they were happy and the lawn and the jug and the exploded and the coldest rounds. The horn nose and the door closed suddenly. The trade opened a gate but the was locked. The teens were scared and decided to the windows. With the side void on the mind the cabin two were showing, coming plant at me. One cries tears of blood. The young trains drew the ball crown, they escaped a guide, here are the bows on the jaw tain, come and play good sock on the side alive. The storm Weinstein you people were never go against and the south explored and the cat on the 14th war. Thank you very much for your attention in the hope and the jade. See you late.